Hi fifth graders. Today your work for writing is going to be in MobyMax. I know what you're thinking, like wait, we use MobyMax for math. Yep, that's right. Oh, I also use MobyMax for social studies. And now we're going to be using MobyMax for writing as well. So you are currently in your writing course, and the work that you're going to do today is called the placement test. Yes, I know you've completed it for math, but we're also going to do it for writing. What the placement test does is it helps to see what is it that you know, what is it that you don't know. And the things, the concepts that you do know, you don't need to practice those. And so MobyMax then assigns what you do need to practice. So here's how you're going to get to your placement test. You're in your writing course, you'll go to Clever and click on MobyMax. I've already done that. And when I signed in, automatically this screen came up and it said assignments. It says test, language, placement test. And so if that's how your screen comes up, then you will click and you will complete the placement test. Once you've finished with the placement test, then you are going to write in your writer's notebook. There are directions back in Schoology. So once you finish your placement test, go back to Schoology and follow step 2 in the folder. If you come to Schoology and this does not pop up, click on the books, click on language. I know that we're in our writing course, but we're doing language work. And then your placement test for language pops up. Once again, I'd like for you to complete the language placement test, then go back to Schoology and read the directions for task 2.